food. Crowned eagles hunt in the same way that leopards do. They use stealth to get near their target, then accelerate at fast speeds towards it. They appear elegant and lovely at times. They are violent and frightening one moment and friendly the next. Some eagles seize and carry their prey. Crowned eagles go for the kill right away. They hit the back of the neck or sometimes the skull with a killing strike, just like leopards. Crowned eagles prefer to hunt around dawn or dusk. Their talons are so powerful they can smash a 30-kilogram antelope's head. They can snap the spine of an animal up to 7 times its weight in one swoop. On impact, such razor-sharp talons frequently kill victims. If not, the animal will either die of asphyxiation or succumb to its injuries. A crowned eagle can be cruel at times, ramming its talons into the prey's skull, aiming directly for the brain. Number 6. Hippo. Despite its intimidating appearance, the hippo is one of Africa's most underappreciated creatures in terms of its fearlessness and potentially violent disposition. Hippos are one of Africa's largest animals, and they aren't known for being cheerful. Hippos kill more people in Africa each year than lions, leopards, crocodiles, and any other significant predator. The most critical necessity for a hippo is a constant source of water. Hippos conserve a significant amount of energy by being in the water. Because the water retains their enormous barrel-like bodies, they don't need to eat as much as they would otherwise. Hippos can stay submerged for up to 6 minutes because they can keep water out by closing their nostrils and ears. While a hippo can walk on the bottom of rivers and dams, they are ungainly on land. Hippopods can contain anything from 2 to 200 animals, although the average is 7 to 15. Bulls are very grumpy and intolerant of one another, and their sharp teeth slice even young bulls on the head and shoulders. Dominant bulls usually express their dominance with wide-mouth yawns that reveal their powerful canine teeth, as well as a lot of grunting. Their lower canines have been transformed into massive tusks that can reach 30 to 50 centimeters in length. Their teeth are weapons of defense, and hippos have been known to bite a 3-meter crocodile in half. Number 5. Baboons. Baboons are among the most easily recognizable monkeys. They have huge hairless buttocks that can turn red, and tufts of hair on either side of their faces. These old-world monkeys also lack prehensile tails, which means they don't utilize their tails as hands like other monkeys. When they feel threatened or have been socialized to link humans with food, they can turn dangerous. Large male baboons will guard the other members of their troop, so if you approach them too closely, a large male may appear and stand between you and the others. When adult baboons locate leopard and lion kittens unattended by adults, they are known to kill them. It may seem terrible to us, but if this baboon kills a predator, it knows the roles will be reversed in 2 years if the lion gets its opportunity. Mature male Kakma baboons have a fearsome defense and may attack predators with their enormous sharp canine teeth, which can critically damage predators as formidable as leopards. And despite not being immune to predation, adult males are the least vulnerable members of the baboon family. Number 4. Crocodile. Crocodiles are ambush predators that wait for fish or land animals to approach before attacking. Crocodiles devour a variety of animals, including fish, amphibians, crabs, mollusks, birds, reptiles, and mammals, as well as smaller crocodiles. Crocodiles have morphological traits that make them effective predators. They're known for ambushing their victim while hiding in plain sight. Crocodiles can move quickly over short distances on land and in the water. That aids their ability to hunt prey. The crocodile's exceptionally powerful jaws are responsible for the world's strongest bite. These two traits, together with the animal's capacity to hold its breath for extended periods of time, make it an ideal predator for hunting large terrestrial mammals. Crocodiles in Africa usually must compete with lions, tigers, and leopards for food, territory, and life. Sure, the cats, as the ultimate apex predators, are big and strong enough to take on even a large crocodile, but whether they meet on land or in water usually determines the outcome of the fight. Number 3. Black Mamba. The black mamba is not the type of snake with which you would want to watch the after-school special. This is one of the world's most dangerous snakes. It's a long snake that can reach lengths of up to 15 feet. The black mamba lives on the African continent and is the world's second longest snake. When the black mamba embarks on the hunt, get out of the way, don't hide in the trees, and don't try to flee.
Once we started getting some transparency and seeing letters and other colors behind it, really got interesting.
For your life, because the black mamba will locate you and hunt you down. Because it contains so many elements, the venom of the black mamba reminds me of some of the great Italian cuisine. The only difference is that Italian food tastes excellent and doesn't kill you, whereas mamba venom is highly toxic and includes a potent cocktail of lethal neurotoxins that will cause agonizing symptoms quickly and ideally bring you to nirvana in 20 minutes. As a result of all this, the black mamba is regarded as one of the world's most dangerous snakes. Fortunately, it does not seek out humans. If you don't trouble it, it won't pay attention to you. Nevertheless, if you bother it, this snake won't need a lawyer's help. It will take care of everything by itself. Number 2. Emperor Scorpion. The emperor scorpion is one of the world's largest scorpions, measuring up to 7.9 inches in length and weighing an average of 1 ounce. They have 8 legs, one for each portion of their bodies. Black is the color of the body. When exposed to ultraviolet light, they fluorescence blue or green. The tail that coils back over the body is where the stinger is tipped. Its stinger is crimson in hue. Its tail is covered in small hairs that let it locate prey through vibration. The front of the body is adorned with a pair of huge reddish-black pincers. Emperor scorpions are predators who eat their victims. Most of their diet consists of insects, though mice and small lizards are also consumed. They can halt their metabolism and go up to a year without eating. Their feed provides all the water they require. Adult scorpions use their pincers to capture and crush prey, whilst baby scorpions use their stinger to immobilize it. Africa is home to the emperor scorpion. In the jungle and tropical savanna, burrows are dug. Burrows can be found in the earth, under rocks, logs, termite mounds, and tree roots. Mating occurs throughout the year, though it is most active during the summer. The male snatches the female by the pincers and drags her around when they first meet. Once he has identified an appropriate place, he will implant a spermatophore. The female will then be dragged over the top of it and will be forced into her vaginal opening. After a 7 to 9 month gestation period, the scorpions will be born. Live baby scorpions are born to the mother and spend their first several weeks on her back. Up to 35 young can be born at any given time. As they mature, they shed their old skin and replace it with a new one. This gradually darkens from white to black as they mature. A newborn enters sexual maturity at the age of 4 months. Emperor scorpions are nocturnal hunters. Due to their weak eyesight, they rely on their sensory hairs to determine where their prey is. They stay in the burrow all day. Up to 15 scorpions can be housed in a scorpion burrow. Number 1. Great white shark. While a great white shark in New Jersey inspired the shark in Jaws, the iconic creature is significantly less dangerous. As scientific knowledge about these secretive predators grows, their image as mindless killers diminish. Great white sharks are the world's largest predatory fish, found in cool coastal waters across the world. They grow to be about 15 feet on average, although specimens up to 20 feet long and weighing 5,000 pounds have been observed. Their upper bodies are slate gray to blend in with the rocky coastal sea floor, but their name comes from their white underbelly. They are torpedo-shaped swimmers with powerful tails that can propel them up to 15 miles per hour through the water. When attacking prey from below, they can even exit the water completely and beach like whales. Their mouths are aligned with up to 300 serrated triangular teeth placed in multiple rows, and they have an extraordinary sense of smell to find prey, making them highly adapted predators. They even have organs that can detect the small electromagnetic fields that animals produce. Other sharks, crustaceans, mollusks, and marine birds are among their prey. Sea lions, seals, and small-toothed whales like orcas are all food for larger white sharks. The species has also been observed eating the carcasses of deceased whales. Great white sharks are responsible for a third to half of the 100 or so shark attacks that occur each year around the world. The majority of these, on the other hand, aren't lethal. According to research, great white sharks, who are inherently infested, frequently taste bite and then release their human prey. Although this isn't a particularly comforting distinction, it does indicate that humans aren't on the great white's menu. Experts claim fatal attacks are usually examples of mistaken identity. When viewed from below, swimmers and surfers often resemble their favorite prey, seals. I don't want to know. I must admit, some of these creatures gave me goosebumps. My favorite has to be the silverback gorilla because of its muscular frame and behavior. Which one was your favorite? Why don't you let us know in the comments below? Well, that's our countdown of the 15 most powerful African animals. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think.
Root is a new type of car insurance.